Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings. After that, scroll down and choose Display section. Then you need to scroll down again and choose Font Size. Finally, scroll down and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, just click on the back button. As you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!